Hey guys, what's up? It's River Rat Bassing. Today I'm with my beautiful family, my lovely girlfriend Laura, and our month-old son, Okie Allen. And as you can see, we are at the creek today. They're going to do a little treasure hunting, trying to find some little treasures of the creek today. While they're doing that, I'm going to try to maybe snag a brown fish, aka the bronze back, aka the smallmouth bass. Hopefully I hook into one. If not, then oh well. Anyway, we'll get back to you if either one of us finds something cool, so stay tuned. Alright guys, we're at the creek. We'll start out with this crankbait here. See if I can't link into one. This water's pretty darn shallow, so I'm able to walk out here on the edge. Mosquitoes are awful right now. Through. There's a fat smallmouth. This is a tank, guys. This is a tank. Yeah! Yeah! That might be my best smallmouth. Yes, it is. On camera. On camera, baby. Boom! That's why we come to the creek right there. I told you they're big. I am so jacked right now. That might be close to the biggest smallmouth I've caught. I think it might be Look how beautiful this fish is. Can you grab my camera?
Here, I'm gonna get some footage for you.
Awesome.
Alright, it's recording.
Recording?
Yeah.
Well, guys.
Alright, it's recording.
Recording?
Yeah.
Well, guys, I was throwing this crankbait for about 3 minutes, and I linked into this giant creek smallmouth. Look at that bass. I'm pretty sure this is my PB smallmouth. Pretty sure there might be one in my freezer that's close to this size, but I know they're in here, and this is why we come chase these suckers. This thing was hopping out of the water. Perfect conditions today. I knew something was going to happen. I knew it. That thing's probably close to 3 pounds. Look how giant that smallmouth is. Look at that thing. Chunk. Giant smallie. Alright.
Hold it out kind of like out from your skirt because it's a nice fish though.
Alright, one more this way. Okay. Alright. Let's release this tank of a smallmouth. Gonzo, baby. What do you think about that, sweetheart?
I saw it jump out of the water and I was like, oh, it's big.
Alright, guys. Alright, we are going to move spots, maybe for just like an hour or two. We're not trying to stay out here too much because the bugs are terrible. We're going to move to the next spot, maybe try to link into another fish, but we won't be out too long, so wish us luck. See you at the next spot. Alright folks, I think that's going to wrap it up. This spot was way slower. A lot less water. Really just nothing happening. Next time, I think I'm going to bring my buddy Jeff here. He's been wanting to get on some smallmouth, and I told him I'd take him. So I know that they're biting, and the bite's starting to heat back up. So we might come out here and get on some more. If you guys like this video or would like to see more, go ahead and click the like button. Also subscribe if you want to see more of some smallmouth or some more largemouth in the tubes, or even deer hunting this fall. We'll be getting into bow hunting, so like it up, folks. Like it, subscribe it, comment, whatever you want to do. Show your support. Until next time, it's River Rat Bass, and peace.